Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something different. I'm going to be making like a smoothie bowl for you guys. I've never made it before, so I'm super excited about it. It is like a green smoothie bowl, I guess, would be the best way to describe it. My Instagram keeps refreshing itself, so I gotta go back to the post that I was on for this. Okay, so it's just a green smoothie bowl. That's what it's called. So for your ingredients, you will need banana. I just got these little packets, but these are like wheatgrass, organic wheatgrass powder, frozen zucchini, some granola, frozen raspberries, and frozen strawberries, and then almond milk is what I'm using. So this whole entire recipe is vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free, wheat, but not added sugar. So it's a super healthy meal. I'm making this for my lunch. You could eat this for breakfast. You could even eat this for dinner. I feel like most people eat smoothie bowls for breakfast though, but I'm gonna have one for lunch. I'm gonna take this little thing, and you're gonna need a blender. Got a NutriBullet right here. Okay, so the first thing is first, I'm gonna cut up my banana. So you wanna use 3/4 of this banana because you wanna keep a little bit of it out to use on the top when you're done. I will show you guys what I'm talking about in a minute. Okay, I'll take my banana. Okay, I'm keeping about this much for the topping. And I'm just gonna put the little butt part in the smoothie as well. So I already went ahead and cut the zucchini up because I had to freeze it. So I steamed it and then freezed it. I didn't like steam it normal, I just microwave steamed it basically. So you need 100 grams of frozen zucchini. For this, about a cup of zucchini. Mine are still a little not super frozen just because they weren't in there for very long. They're super cold though. And I also did just take them out like that long ago. Almost there. About this much. So I'm just gonna pour that onto my cutting board. I'm gonna take this cup. Okay, for the almond milk, you need 80 milliliters. So I've got like this super tiny glass thingy. Take my almond milk up, open it. So this is up to 60 ounces, or milliliters I mean. And then I need to fill it with 220 more. And this is 80 milliliters almond milk. Now, I'm gonna set that off to the side. I'm just gonna take this packet. I'm just gonna dump it in. Alright, now you're gonna take your zucchini and put it in. All the banana you cut up. Okay, that's this. This is your main part. Now, we're gonna move our cutting board up, bring our NutriBullet closer. Make sure this is screwed on super tight. Now it is liquid. So this is my bowl that I'm putting it in. So you're gonna open it, you're just gonna pour it into your bowl. Now, my green bowl, I'm going to take this granola, and I got dark chocolate and red berry granola for this. You can do 1/8 of a cup, about this much. You can put it in your bowl. Then, you're gonna take the rest of your banana, and then raspberries. So, in this recipe, it says you can put as many as you'd like into it. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'll put a few in, probably like this many. I'm just gonna put that in. And then I'm just gonna put a few strawberries. And I'm only gonna put like 2 or 3 probably. We'll do 4, we'll do one really small one. And that is my smoothie bowl. Messy. My spoon, I'm gonna get a piece of granola with it. And it tastes so good. And that is how you make this green smoothie bowl. It's actually like super delicious, so I'm excited about it. Perfect lunch. 2 seconds. And that is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to subscribe, that'd be great. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment below if you guys make this. You should totally let me know and tell me if you guys like it or not, or if you've ever made it before. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!